Got the Black Friday 2024 holiday deals. This is for my Ridgid fans. This is action. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, so this is the 18 volt high or max output starter kit with the 4 ampere batteries charger. It says get a free tool. You go down here. This is gonna be the cheaper one, guys, because I've been posting the Milwaukee, DeWalt, and all those, and this is so far this is the cheapest. So yes, it's down to 149. The other ones are 199, I believe. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. You click on that. You're gonna be able to select the 6-port charger, sequential charger. Now that's a plus. Not all the tool deals this year have those, so definitely jump on that one if you're in this line. You got the 18 volts brushless, 4.5 paddle switch angle grinder valued at 139. Get the subcompact brushless random orbit sander valued at 139. Compact job site blower valued at 69 bucks. So that is obviously that's not gonna be the best bang for your buck. The best bang for your buck are gonna be these higher end prices for your 149 or $150 deal here, holiday deal. All right, you got the cordless portable inflator, so this is not too bad at $89. This is 18 volts brushless multi-tool valued at $149. This is a circular saw, 6.5 compact subcompact brushless circular saw valued at $139. Subcompact brushless cordless 3-inch multi-material cutoff saw. This is $129. All right, so let's choose one of these. Let's choose one. Let's choose the sequential charger. That's would grab my attention here. So let's see here. All right, so wow, these are really good prices. Definitely for somebody on a budget, this is the way to go. Either this or the Ryobi one, which I will be making later. So all right, so for the sequential charger, you're gonna able to pay $71.91, and if you just want the charger, return those batteries, walk back into the store and return them, or you can keep the 2 batteries if you want to stock up on those batteries and return the tool. However you want to do it. That's $77. That's a killer deal. Anyways, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.